Yeah, it's okay. You need to hold the hand, baby.
Ma'am, yung ulo ingat dito sa bato, ma'am.
Huh?
Yung ulo po ingat sa bato.
Okay. This one is amazing. Careful with this one, huh?
Yeah. Okay. There's a pretty big step, huh?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Be careful. Your back, baby, there's a stone, so be careful with your. When you go up, be careful slowly. So your back. See, that's the one.
Go ahead, ma'am.
This side, baby, side. Hold your hand.
Yes, you got it. Yeah, it's barely go through. My God, next year I wouldn't be able to get through.
Hi.
It's tough, huh?
You see this, huh? Mind this.
Yeah, that's true.
I hurt already.
My God, it's tough. You okay, Sarah? Really?
You did it, baby.
No, that's
You did it. You did it. You did it.
What? You made it, right?
You did it.
Wow. Crazy.
It's not easy, right?
Yeah, you're a sleeper, guys. Let's forget.
Ah,
Ooh.
who's the oldest guy who's there? Oscar? I wonder who the oldest guy is.
You did it. It's beautiful here, guys. You need to see this cave. So it's time for us to go. This make our day today for all the tours that I had. in Coron. This is the best one for now. I don't know tomorrow what can we see, but we will update you. But this is really recommendable. It's really beautiful, and only few people, as you can see, they come and then they go immediately. But for us, we stay there for more than 30 hours. Okay, bye.